Port Stephens Libraries acknowledges Australia's Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people, the traditional custodians of the land, waterways and skies across Australia. We thank you for sharing and caring for the Origami land that we learn and play on. We pay our respects to elders past and present, and we share our friendship and kindness.
Hello everyone at home. I'm Peg from Tomaree Library, and we miss having you in the library to do all the crafty fun things that we used to be able to do. So today I'm going to teach you a fun activity that you can do at home. I'm going to teach you how to make a hopping frog. These are very easy and fun to make, and I'll show you how. So you're going to need to make these a square of paper. Doesn't matter what kind of paper, just as long as it's a square. And to give your frog a little face, you can use some googly eyes or some white stickers, or you can just draw eyes on with a pen. But first, we need to make a frog. Start with your square of paper and fold it in half to form a rectangle. Fold it very neatly and make sure your crease is very nice and neat. And then we're going to open our rectangle back up to a square. The next thing we do is fold each of these corners down to the middle, make two triangles. Make sure you have nice, neat creases. Press them down really well so you have a nice, neat frog when you're all done. Now you can see your square looks a bit more like a house. Our next step is to take the bottom of the house and fold it up to meet this line here, the bottom of those triangles. Crease that really well. There. Looks a bit more like a boat than a house now, doesn't it? The next thing that we'll do is fold each side into the center. We'll do this side first, fold it in, and press that crease really well. Does it look like a frog yet? Not yet. Hold the next crease in and press that really well. There. Okay, we're almost done. Now we're going to take the bottom edge and fold it up to meet these points here, just like this. Can you see how I've done that? I've just taken the bottom edge, folded it up to these corners. Great. And now the top edge, we're going to fold down to meet the bottom edge. And this is what makes our frog hop. So that's what the back looks like, and we're all done. So we'll put our frog, its little hoppy bit down. Still doesn't look quite like a frog though, does it? So let's give our frog some eyes. I'm going to take some white stickers and put a little dot in the middle. Put one on each side. That looks more like a frog. And you can decorate your frog however you would like. I'm just going to put some eyes on mine. And now we want to make the frog hop. Now that we're all done folding, press the back of the frog and let go. If you press too hard, he flips over. And if you don't press enough, he doesn't go very far. So you can try making these with any kind of paper that you have around. See if thin paper or thick paper makes a hoppier frog. If you would like to have a frog race, get mom or dad or some friends or brothers and sisters to make some frogs with you. See whose frog can hop the highest, whose frog can hop the farthest, and whose frog can hop right off the table. Okay, have fun making frogs. We'll see you next time.